Hello everybody, hope you're all doing fine. I am back with yet another video on Quick Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you through how to get Trust Wallet extension. So if you want to learn how, then keep watching the video till the end and do not forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now, in order to get Trust Wallet extension, first of all, you have to have Kiwi browser installed in your mobile phone. So if it is not installed, then go ahead in your Play Store application on your Android device and then search for Kiwi browser and then tap on install. As I've already done in mine, I've already installed in my device, so I'm gonna go and tap on open. So you too have to open Kiwi browser, so go ahead and do that. Now you will be available with the home page of Kiwi browser, and then all you have to do is tap on search box and then search for Trust Wallet, because we have to get Trust Wallet extension. Now you will be appeared with this screen on your mobile phone, so all you have to do is tap on browser extension among the options available for Trust Wallet. So go ahead and tap on browser extension. Now scroll all the way down in this page and then you will find get the Trust Wallet extension. Then go ahead and tap on get the Trust Wallet extension. Now you will be provided with this screen on your mobile phone. Now all you have to do is tap on add to Chrome, which is just beside Trust Wallet inside the blue box. So go ahead and tap on add to Chrome. Now tap on OK. Now it's done, guys. The Trust Wallet extension has already been available on your mobile phone. Now in order to check that, go ahead and tap on three dots in the top right corner and then scroll all the way down, and then you can see Trust Wallet. So that's how you get the Trust Wallet extension easily. So I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment section if you have a comment or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial like this. Goodbye till then.